Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off Facebook email notifications. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on menu, scroll down, click on settings and privacy, tap on settings. Scroll down, tap on your activity, click on activity log. Okay, then back, click on notifications, scroll down, tap on email, just click, then your email notification option all enable, just select and custom your notification, then tap on, just off and on. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.